So most people, when they start their cleaning company, they are the cleaner. You go out, you do the work yourself, and then eventually, maybe through doing such a great job, your clients will tell other people, and through word of mouth, you might end up having more clients. Then you get to the point where you're so full that you're either looking to bring somebody else in, and maybe you're in that position right now, or you have brought someone else in. You might have a number of employees, self-employed or employed. And I think what we need to realize is when you're the cleaner in the business, and that's your sole responsibility, it is very different to also being the cleaning business owner. You have to liaise with the clients, you have to basically manage that relationship, of course. But when you transition to being the cleaning business owner and you have to think about things like the finances in more detail, you have to start looking at software, you have to look at marketing strategies and how do we create systems and processes in the business. You will go from solely being the cleaner and managing some of the clients and their times and the days and all that sort of stuff to all of a sudden you're a business owner. And for a lot of people, they're not prepared for that. That switch from being the cleaner to being the cleaning business owner is absolutely huge. And the scary thing is, where do you learn this stuff? And honestly, that's the reason that the Cleanup Academy exists. The Academy is a blend of a few things. It's one-to-one support, coaching, mentoring. It's got the most complete training for cleaning company owners on the planet. And it's also got a fantastic community of people who are all supporting each other and helping each other. And the reason that the Academy works so well is because exactly that. When you first get into being that business owner and stepping back from the cleaning, and the Academy at this point has helped literally dozens of people do exactly that. Come off the tools and focus on being the business owner, give them free time back and continue to grow the business.